Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you the legitimate ways with the help of which you can get the Claude Pro absolutely for free in 2026. So first of all, don't confuse the Claude free with Claude Pro. As you can see on Claude's official website, you will find the free plan, the Pro plan and the Max plan. So here Claude already offer a free plan that is going to give you access to its latest AI models, but Pro is going to unlock the higher usage limits, additional features, Claude code, research and much more. Now one of the best options for you to get it for free is with the help of the Claude for Education. So over here, if your university participates in the Anthropics education program, you may be able to access the premium Claude features completely free through your school's account. The next option that I can recommend you is the Claude campus program. So selected students, ambassadors and builder club participants can receive the Claude Pro access and API credits as a part of the program. Now, another best option is if you are an open source developer, there is also Claude for open source program. So here the eligible maintainers can receive the free access to the Claude's higher tier plans for several months. Now, apart from these, you should also keep an eye on the official promotions. Anthropic officially offers limited time trials, the special offers, although these are not available year round and should always be verified through the official channels only. So over here currently you are getting it for $17. So if you can spend this much money, you can definitely go ahead and grab the offer. So that's how you can basically get it for free. Thank you.